If you want to create presentations faster without starting from a blank slide, Gamma app download can be a huge time saver. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Gamma app for PowerPoint, step by step, so you can turn an idea, notes, or even an existing file into a polished presentation. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, log into your Gamma app account. Once you're inside, look for the Create New button. This is where the whole process starts, and it opens the creation menu so you can choose how you want to build your presentation. Now, Gamma gives you a few different input methods, and this is one of the best parts of the tool. If you want the AI to do most of the work for you, choose Generate. This lets you type in a prompt or topic, like quarterly sales pitch, product launch plan, or team training overview, and Gamma will build an outline for you automatically. If you already have content prepared, you can choose Paste. This is perfect if you have notes, bullet points, an outline, or even a draft from ChatGPT that you want to turn into slides. Just paste your text into Gamma and it will organize the content into a presentation structure. You can also choose Import if you want to upload an existing file. Gamma can take a Word document, PDF, or even an old PowerPoint and reformat it into a fresh presentation layout. This is especially useful if you want to save time by repurposing content you already have. After you choose your input method and submit your content, Gamma will generate an outline for you. Take a moment to review it carefully. This part matters because you can still make the presentation much better before exporting it. You can reorder sections, shorten or expand text, and adjust how much information appears on each slide. You can also change the visual style at this stage. Gamma makes it easy to swap image styles, themes, and layouts so your presentation matches the tone you want. For example, you might choose something more professional for a business pitch, or something cleaner and more modern for a classroom or client presentation. Once the outline looks good, move into the built-in editor. Here you can fine-tune the text, improve the wording, and make the slides more polished. If you want faster changes, you can also use the AI chat assistant inside Gamma to rewrite content or change the visual layout for you. This is a great way to quickly simplify a slide, make it more detailed, or improve the overall flow. As you edit, keep checking that the presentation is easy to read and visually balanced. Gamma is powerful, but the best results usually come from a quick review and a few smart edits. That way, your final slides look intentional instead of auto-generated. When you're happy with everything, it's time to export. Go to the top right corner and click the three dots, or open the Share menu, then select Export. From there, choose Export to PowerPoint. Gamma will convert your presentation into a PowerPoint file that you can download and open in Microsoft PowerPoint. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Gamma app for PPT, from creating a new presentation to choosing your input method, editing the content, and exporting it into PowerPoint. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.